Hello, this is Garemore. Today I have an update on the Arduino FM radio project. We now have a OLED display. We have some buttons: channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down. And this SI7403 FM radio module. And then the brain of the organization, the Arduino Uno. They have a new feature where if you turn off the device, turn it back on, it remembers the last station we were on and the last volume setting. To have music on it. Stop. I was just looking for a station that wasn't playing music. The thing that just appeared was the station ID. It shows the current frequency and the current volume settings. You see the station ID came up. It doesn't get the best signal strength because it's using the headphone cables as an antenna. So we're going to show the programming now. First we include all these different libraries. And we just define our pins stuff. Stuff for the pin modes and then the stuff for the display. And then if we change the value, we write it to the EEPROM. That's what stores the information when you turn it off. That's it for this project. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.